Hello everyone, today we will continue our discussion on vector algebra. Today's lesson is unit vector. So what are unit vectors? A unit vector is a vector that has a magnitude of 1. Unit vectors are special because they do not have their own independent direction. Rather, they derive their direction from the direction of what? Something we could call a parent to them. So unit vectors don't have independent direction, rather they take their direction from the direction of the parent. That is, their direction is the direction of their parent. So kind of a parent relationship. So a unit vector has a parent-child relationship with another vector. So for example, now we have I cap, j cap, and k cap. All these are what conventionally used as unit vectors that point to the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis respectively. So now I cap, the direction of the I cap is what? Is the direction of the x-axis. I does not have its own direction independently, rather it takes its direction from the what? From the x-axis. The same thing as j cap, it doesn't have its own direction independently, rather its direction is the direction of the what? Is the direction of the y-axis. Also k cap does not have its own direction independently, rather its direction is the direction of the z-axis. So every vector can have a what? A unit vector. So what is the unit vector of any vector? It is the vector that has a magnitude of 1 and is in the direction of that vector. So say for example now we have what? I cap. This I cap here, this I cap vector. So this I cap vector is a unit vector because it has a magnitude of 1 and is in the direction of what? X-axis. Similarly, we have j cap, that is here. We have j cap over here. We have j cap over here. It has a what? It has a magnitude of 1 and it's what? It is in the z-axis. It's in the y-axis. Then we have this other unit vector here. So this unit vector now is going to be called C cap. It's going to be called what? C cap. C and a cap because it is a unit vector in the direction of the C vector. So C cap does not have its own independent direction. Rather, it takes a direction from its parent. So now this C cap's parent is what? Is the C vector. So if you have any vector and we want to get its unit vector, it is always that vector and a cap on top of it. So something we call a caret symbol. So that's the meaning of the cap. So C cap. C cap is the unit vector in the direction of what? In the direction of C. C cap is the unit vector in the direction of what? In the direction of C. So now, how do we now represent a unit vector? To obtain a unit vector from its parent vector, all you have to do is divide the vector by its magnitude. What does that mean? So say I have I want to obtain C cap now. I have to obtain C cap. All I have to do to obtain C cap, all I have to do is what? Just divide C, that's vector C, by the magnitude of vector C. So the magnitude of vector C. So to obtain C cap, I just divide what? The vector C by its own magnitude. If I have another vector C, vector D, so D cap will just be D cap will just be that vector D divided by its magnitude, and simple as that. So that will be the end of today's lesson. See you guys in the next lesson.